Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be creating a makeup look inspired by the Pantone Color of the Year. This is sponsored by Yesstyle. I was selected for their 2021 Pantone makeup campaign and they sent me this product to use to create that look. I'm gonna show you first what I got. Okay, so in this box I have this product to be reviewed. This is Medipil Collagen Ampule. I'm gonna upload my review later on. I've been using this for 4 days, I think. So just stay tuned. Okay, and I have also this as a free product. I have this washi tape dispenser. Okay, I'm gonna show you first. So this is how it looks like. Ayan. Okay, so let's measure in. Okay, so I have also some free products like this Doodle Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum in Sachet, and I have Clavu White Pearlization Pearl Serum. Yeah. Okay, so now, okay, these are the products that we're going to use to create the look. So I have this single blusher from the Sime. This is Mandarin Kiss numbers OR01. So ayan, this is how it looks like. Okay, so next product we have here is the Mono Nail Art Decoration. This is Star and Moon, but I'm not gonna use it today. Actually, I mystery item on this PR. The Clio highlighter, the single blusher color yellow also from the Sime, but unfortunately it is not available, and the nail polish from Holika Holika. So, but that is okay. I'm gonna substitute that with some products that I have here that I also got from Yesstyle. But this one I'm gonna use maybe later on, and I'm gonna show you how I use that. So another one product is this Chuvimi High Shine Eyeshadow. This is in the shade A97. So this is the shade Gray. Ayan. So I'm not going to swatch it because we're going to use it naman later on. So another one from Chuvimi is this shade A38. I think this is the yellow. Okay, yeah, this is the color yellow. You know, Pantone color is yellow and gray. So I have also from Chuvimi. Yeah, this is the mascara. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna show you the applicator. Okay, so yeah, like this, and then we have the Fork Eyebrow Tint. This is in the shade Dark Brown from Re-Ray. Yeah, okay. So, I'll show you. Okay, so ganito yung kanyang, kita niyo ba? Applicator. Okay, so last product we have here is this Black Rouge Pearly Glitter. This is how it looks. Okay, so now let's start. So to start, I'm gonna spray some Beauty Mist by Ann Klutz. This is from Lux Organics. Okay, and wait for a few seconds. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply my primer, and I'll be using this Lumi Layer from VDL. Okay, so now for my foundation, I'll be using this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Okay, so for my concealer, I'll be using this Essence Stay All Day Long Lasting Concealer, and I'm gonna use this also as my eyeshadow base. So now I'm gonna set my face with this Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Okay, so now for my eyebrows, I'll be using this Fort Eyebrow Tint in the shade Dark Brown from Riri. Okay, so now we're gonna use this Juvimi High Shine Eyeshadow. This is in the shade A97. It's a dark gray. So I'm gonna apply this in the outer corner of my eyes. Okay, so now we're gonna use this from Juvimi High Shine liquid eyeshadow also. This is in the shade 838. This is like yellow and sparkling yellow, and apply that in the inner corner of my eyes to half of my lid. Okay, so before I finish my eye makeup, I'll just gonna apply some contour, and I'll be using this Too Full Art Class by Rodin Shading Contour Palette. Okay, so for my blush on, I'll be using this Maybelline Mineral Power Blush. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Essence Cajal pencil to tighten my lash line, and then I'm gonna apply some waterproof liquid liner. This is from Daiso. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some gray eyeshadow in my lower lash line, and I'm gonna spray first the brush. Okay, so this is from Create and Transform Essence Palette. Okay guys, so I forgot we have blush on pala. So I'll be just applying this on top of my blush on that I applied a while ago. Okay, so now, well actually I removed some of the blush on, so I can just apply this one. So while we are waiting for my mascara to dry, I'm just gonna apply this highlighter from the Sime. Okay, so naglagay lang ako ng falsies of cam, and for my lipstick, I'll be using this Milani Cosmetics na Amore Satin Matte Lip Cream. Okay guys, so I just apply some glitters on top of my eyeshadow, and then I'll just add some wing liner, and this is the final look. Ayan, I hope na gusto nyo itong makeup look na na-create ko, and stay tuned because I'll be creating one more makeup look for this Pantone makeup campaign of Yesstyle, and all of the products that I used to create this look will be on my description box. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye!